Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today bengithi ngifuna kwenza nje i-tribute la ku uWaras, uDJ Waras, uShedi Lakha, abanye bambiza ngoGojiro, unamagama amaningi but thina siqale abanye bethu siqala ukumazi kakhulu lapha ku TV. He was doing one of my favorite show, music show yakaba khona iLife Amp. Yayisuke from i1 to iLife Amp. So yena wa replace uAndile Ncube lapha and wafika wayenza la show. I think yena umuntu wayenza isikhathi eside kakhulu. That's why ifame yakhe i-serious ngalendlela because ukuba kule show kwakuyinto enkulu because lezi zinto zoku-streama no YouTube izinto ezingekho. So umuntu okade lapha bekuyena umuntu in control ukuthi music video efika izoqala ezandleni zakhe. So abantu abaningi egamini siba introduce so yena. So that's why abantu abaningi like mhlawumbe ahlale enhlizweni zabo because bewumjida lo introduce music thina abantu abathanda music. I remember nje maningi ama memories now, especially music omusha. I remember there was one time I introduced MT for the first time. MT ezo perform ku Life Amp engakaze vele TV. So there was this confusion because there's one guy okuthiwa uMtexa naye ubizwa ngo-MT but yena ku-hardcore rapper lo. So lo mjida lo wase Bergville. So first time ngizwa MT ethi Waras, no guys ngiphethe this guy from Jopeko MT. So thina abantu abalalela kakhulu lo ikase raps silindelwa MT lona kanti no introducer ku-MT lo trapper but first time perform roll up ngathi no this doesn't sound like ku-MT. So yona memory enginawo because ngaze ngafonela umjida lo wasekhaya uyena umuntu olalela kakhulu ikase rap uthi no umzulu MT umbonile MT lapha na TV awuyasho uthi no akuyona MT because at that time social media ingekho that big so besibazi labantu but besingabazi ubuso babo. So leyo confusion nje yona engikhumbula i-highlight yami but ke nje ziningi izinto akazenzile especially for i-game le-entertainment but lately ungene kulesi space se-podcasting because I think ilapho engiqale khona ubona iside different la Waras ke nami because khona ishow le yenza no PHB yona show ngithanda kakhulu as umuntu oyifan radio because laphana bahlezi baphila impilo eziwu-2 ehlukene. One thing ngithanda ngisho because uPH uDJ uyi-promoter like usha ama-countries la kuhamba overseas konke lezi ndawo lezi ehamba abantu aba-DJ because ukule scheme so black off na yabo. So uPH uphila impilo elapha but uWaras ubese busy focus kakhulu leside lamabhizinisi naleside le-security. So the time beza kuleya show yabo lana ebizwa the Sherry podcast. So lapha abafike belethe ama-perspective different. So I think yona into eyenza ukuthi leya show yabo ibe different namanye ama-podcast because bane-background yase-written bobo-2 bane-background of-music bawo DJ bobo-2 but this time baphila impilo eziwu-2 different. So every time uPH eza uzozizela nestory uthi yo bengise eMonaco wenzakala uWaras uhleze ezizela la bese Hillbrow wabona ukuthi ama-security. So ishow yakho bihlangene is like it was like listening to i-radio moyilalela. So I think bayenze more than a year. So i-share the podcast laphana bengiappreciate kakhulu bengumuntu waqala nje ukubukisa aqala because bese ngiyibonile lento uWaras uthi no I think uWaras ubuye la eradweni and ubuyele ku-TV but ubuya kwi-podcast. So nje bengihappy ngalo ndlela and there's one interview yakhe ngisanda kuyibuka akayenze 2 weeks ago ubenza lapha Rob Sehoff lo ibillionaire yana umlungu waseGoli ocasula abantu abaningi abamnyama but uWaras ube close nabantu aba different. So leyo video yawo uWaras lapha ushare something uthi no ube plana ubele music because uke wathi kuya lento ku-DJ for isikhathi eside. So uthe no kwangamele uye ku-music because ufila ngathi niningi imali ngaba wayenze lapha no-music as just as u-DJ because leside loku-DJ bese kuyinto eyiside hustle again because bese focus kakhulu izinto zamabhizinisi security but uthi ubethu uplan okubuyela wathi ufuna ukushutha ama-mix ube nama-plans amaningi okubuya because uke wathi ubekade attende i-festival ekaShimza ekunye. So I think ilapho akabone khona i-impact ye-Afro House le ne-Chris Step lo eShimza uthi no I think usengayenza imali ngale kwangamele sheshehle egamini. So ubesethe uplan okubuya and according to him uthe beseqala ushutha ama-episode. So ubezowadlala phana but ubesadinga ukuthi eshintshe i-YouTube channel yakhe into a-record label so that music yabo ungeze u-copyright and stuff. So I think yona direction ethi seyithatha laphana and ubeshilo nakushow le ade yenza noPH uthi no next year ufuna ukulontsha i-career kaGojiro because uthe uya-rebranda. So leli gama la Waras ubethe no usezoba uGojiro. So I was excited leyo part because uGojiro I think leli gama ngiyalikhumbula ngisakhulela. I'm not sure from ama-cartoon or something but linomlando nje ngiyalikhumbula ngisalokhu because ikhona episode akalichaza khona uWaras uthi no leli gama la Gojiro liqhamuka but I think lezi zinto zakudala because umjito okhulele kwaBhanya le eFryhead. So umjito wasemakhaya so nje Shedi Lakha silahlekelwe kakhulu especially for i-space entertainment ke kuleli side lepolitiki i-side lakhe ngilibone ngamuva le uthi no umjito actually usharp and ubehlezi nawo ama-opinion acasula abantu abaningi but kube ngasabukusho njalo but nje when it comes to entertainment as umuntu influenced because angifuni uqamba manga as umuntu othanda kakhulu music and stuff i-Life Amp yaba ne-influence kakhulu because mina bekuyona show yo-music like ama-music video even namanje izinto ezizenzayo like ukushoot ama-video and stuff isabaleke ngaleyo ndlela because sabantu abasabhilivile ukushoot i-music video music ukurelate nje even like ama-stories like entertainment izinto esenendaba now even into this stage that's why ngine-channel ibizwa ngo-Speaker Now because I care about that party especially liside lama-gig Waras ukuba yi-promote and stuff izo zonke izinto lezi engisafuna nami ukuventure kuzona because lezo zinto lezi I think influence eningi yaqhamuka laphana kwi-Life Amp because yona show like music yawusondeza eduze wami ngempela there's one ususama omdala unombulelo uyena othanda kakhulu i-one sayibiza nge-one so uyena umuntu wangenza nami ngibe in tune ngale ndlela ku-music so I think uWaras nje silahleke lo muntu kade role model abantu abaningi and uvula indlela eningi and lately usikhombisa amanye ama-side laphana ukuthi no you don't have just to be famous because there's one story akayishare ukuthi the time eya-YFM wayesebenza umsebenzi like 9 to 5 and umsebenzi wakho umkhokhela imali eningi but wayebhorekile because wangasinto aka-passionate ngaso so wadecide ukuyeka lo msebenzi wakhe waya ku-YFM ayemkhokhela imali encane at the time but as time to go waqala uthola ama-gig so wagcina esenza imali eningi ku-YFM then ayenza semsebenzini but ubeyenza different outside lento yasemsebenzini because there's also another story akashela ukuthi imali ayehola laphana ku-Life Amp kwakuyimali encane like wayeshela even ne-amount but leyo mali leyo yayi-expose kubantu abaningi ama-promoters ase-Cape Town so you are in a position to wenza imali eningi so I think that is one thing abantu laba especially abafika ku-entertainment abayimisa ukuthi no it doesn't have to ukuthi mhlawumbe uzohola imali eningi so that uzowenza imali eningi but just ukuba kwi-position ne-power uyakwazi ukuthi wenze imali eningi ngaleyo position okuyona so islot lese-radio asikhandi ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu uzohola imali eningi just that wena usisebenzise so that sikwenzele imali eningi so yona into ezama ukuyishare-ke but ngizoyivala lapho nje ivideo yami but-ke nje to Gojiro to Waras to Shedilaka. Our race is away.